Customer reputation management is the most important thing to build a strong online presence of your business or yourself. It is the final step of your service. After you provided your service, you definitely looking for a good feedback, good comment, and that will improve your online presence. If you start a new service, new business, then you bound to do mistake. If all your feedback is went to Google My Business profile or reputable feedback website or Facebook page, then your rating will be very low. Rather than that, what we can do, we can create a feedback workflow automation where you can filter your feedback, then the good feedback will add it to your profile. To do that, I will create a custom feedback page using GoHighLevel survey page. Then I create a workflow automation that will filter all the good feedbacks and the negative feedbacks, and what we will do with those feedback, with those unhappy clients or with those happy clients. So let's start. As I mentioned that customer feedback request is the final stage of your workflow or your pipeline. Suppose this is the pipeline. It starts with a new lead, then appointment link is sent, then appointment book, then appointment completed. After that, sold need to send feedback request. This is the stage where we will send the feedback request automation. To start the automation, we need to create the custom feedback request survey page. Let's create that one. Inside the sites tab from the survey builder, you can see I already created the eMartIT customer experience survey. So let's check this out. This is the custom form we will send to our happy client after the deal is closed. Then I created this as per my requirement. If you want to add, you can add it from this drag and drop option. I put the name, email, and star rating, how much they want to provide, and a comment. If I preview this, then it will look like this. So they can provide their name, they can provide their email address, then they can provide their feedback as per our service, then they can provide a comment. When they submit, it will not directly add it to our Google My Business profile or the reputative site or Facebook page. So where it will go and how we will do the filter, good feedback and the bad feedback. To do that, I created automation. Let's go to the automation. So this is the automation I created, eMartIT customer experience survey review. This automation starts with a trigger. The trigger is the survey page we created. When anyone submitted the ratings, then only this automation will start working. After that, I send a internal notification to my conversion tab inside GoHighLevel, so that all my admin user and others user get notified that we get a feedback from our customer. So this will be the message like new survey form, contact name, score, and their detail. Then I added a tag. Why? Let me show you. So with this condition, there is two branch. One is if the rating is 4 to 5, then it will do some activities. If the rating is 1 to 3, then it will do other activities. So workflow trigger is this, the custom survey form, and the rating. I created this custom field rating, and the rating is greater than and equal to 4, then it will send the email and the other step. If the rating is 4 to 5, then it will automatically add another trigger, and the trigger will be positive feedback received, so that the workflow will identify. We already mentioned that it receive a positive feedback, then it will send a email to our customer, and the email will be, the subject is thank you for your feedback, please leave us a public review. Thank you for your positive feedback about eMartIT. We are so glad you had a great experience. Would you mind taking a moment to share your experience on Facebook so other can hear about it too? We can send our Facebook page link, or we can send our Google My Business profile link, or the reputative site where they can put the feedback. So if the customer is happy, then they can take a little time and they can provide another feedback to our Google My Business profile or our Facebook page. So that way we are receiving only the good feedback. And if it is a negative feedback, then again we will sending another email like we are truly sorry to hear about your experience with eMartIT. And in the message we said, we are sincerely sorry to hear that your recent experience with eMartIT doesn't meet your experience and other thing. So we said sorry, we said we will do best in future. In that way, we are not sending another feedback request to our public platform like Google My Business Profile or Facebook page. We are saying that what are the issue we face, email us at info@emartit.com. So that way we are filtering these to feedback. So when a customer providing us a good feedback, then I will send another feedback request to my Google Business Profile or my Facebook page. If not, then we will say sorry and we will let them know that we will do best next time. I also mentioned that share all your experience with us so that we can improve ourselves. So that's how I will create the customer reputation management inside GoHighLevel using workflow automation. You can get this kind of service from different paid tool, and those paid tool are expensive. You saw that using GoHighLevel workflow automation, I created this automation without any cost, and it is strategically correct one. So if you are looking to build a great customer reputation management workflow with automation, then please let us know. I can build similar kind of automation and some complicated one as well. You can always reach out to us info@emartit.com. We are looking forward to work with you. Thank you.